Hello everyone and welcome to day 26 of our ACT Math Prep Review. Let's get started here. Which of the following is an irrational number? I think it's really important for this exam that you do know the difference between rational and irrational numbers. So let's just cover a couple things first. Real numbers. Real numbers are anything that you can plot on a number line. Positive, negative, zero, decimals, fractions. And real numbers are either rational or irrational. Now, our irrational numbers. Our irrational numbers are numbers that their decimal go on forever and they're non-repeating. So an example would be pi. Pi goes on forever. So if the decimal repeats, like say you have something like 3.878888, it goes on forever, but it repeats. That's rational. It's irrational if it goes on forever and does not repeat. So another good thing to know about irrational numbers, if you take the square root of any prime number, it's going to be irrational. 2 is prime. The only thing times 2 that multiplies to 2 is 2 and 1. 3 is prime. The only thing that multiplies to 3 is 1 and 3, and so on. So if you take the square root of a prime number, it will be irrational. All right? So when you think about irrational numbers, think about decimals that go on forever. Now, when I look at my answers, if you are able to simplify the fraction to an integer over an integer, it is definitely rational. Your integers are all your numbers that aren't decimals. ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, ... Those are your integers. Your whole numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So it's just your positive integers. Your counting numbers, which are also called your natural numbers, are very similar to whole numbers, except it doesn't include 0. These would be just good to know. All right, so when I look at answer A, I got 2 over 3. Well, 2 and 3 are both integers. And if you were to take 2 divided by 3, it would be 0.6 repeating. It repeats, it's rational. The square root of 81. Well, the square root of 81 is 9. 9 is rational. These are all rational. So it's rational. 3 divided by 7, it's reduced down to an integer over an integer, it's rational. When I look at letter D, 2 is a prime number. The only thing that multiplies to 2 is 1 times 2. If you take the square root of a prime number, it is irrational. And the last one, 37 and 41, are both integers. It's rational. So when you think about irrational numbers, just think numbers where the decimal goes on forever and is non-repeating. There you go. Have an awesome day.